Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a buttercream recipe, specifically a chocolate hazelnut buttercream recipe using Nutella. I'll have the recipe linked right in the description box below and right here on the screen. I've used a small vanilla cake on a small cake stand to show you as an example. Let's get started. First, you want to start with room temperature butter, easy enough to press to the touch. Then some cocoa powder, a little vanilla, salt, and powdered sugar, and then Nutella and heavy cream to make the chocolate hazelnut ganache that you'll add to the buttercream to give it that flavor. In the stand mixer, with a paddle attachment, cream the butter and separately sift your powdered sugar. Sifting is an important step with buttercream because if you want to do any piping work, you don't want to have any lumps. Add the powdered sugar gradually, and a little tip here, put a little tea towel over top so your powdered sugar doesn't splash everywhere. And starting off slowly and increasing the speed gradually. So work this in at least 5 minutes to get that butter and the sugar and a lot of air pumped into it to give it that fluffiness. Now, to make it a chocolate hazelnut buttercream, we have to have a chocolate hazelnut ganache. So we have Nutella and simmering heavy cream. Get those together and whisk it really well. It'll melt in no time. That's what really gives this that indulgent flavor. Anytime you add a ganache to a buttercream, it's going to be a good one. The rest of the ingredients go in next. So we already added our powdered sugar. So what we need to add is the cocoa powder, vanilla, the salt, and optional is espresso. Some people find espresso adds to the chocolate flavor. It's up to you. And then smooth that chocolate buttercream. And what I like to do is to be sure that before I start to work with it, I have a minute to refrigerate it. Chilling it a little bit makes it easier to work with. And I'm showing you here how smooth it is to work with. And I had chopped a few chocolate hazelnuts and added a little bit in the center with some of the buttercream filling. And I like to use parchment paper or wax paper on the cake stand itself and cut them into little strips so that way I could just pull those off. And a little tip here, it's a lot easier than transferring it off the cake stand. And there you have a chocolate hazelnut buttercream recipe. I have used this exact buttercream recipe here with a previous video, and it was a Kit Kat cake. So I had added chocolate hazelnuts in the center with chopped up Kit Kats and buttercream all over, topped it off with baci Italian kisses. If you don't have those because they're from Italy, you could absolutely just swap out chocolate hazelnuts. So this is the small little cake that I made, chocolate hazelnut buttercream with Nutella ganache dripped around this side for a nice drip cake. I think it's gorgeous, and not only gorgeous, super tasty and worthy of any occasion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.